Experiencing lag and FPS drops while playing Call of Duty on your PC? No worries, in this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the FPS drops in Call of Duty Warzone. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. Method 1. First, let's tweak those in-game settings. To get started, fire up Call of Duty HQ, then click on the settings icon. Next, head over to graphics, then change the display mode to full screen exclusive. Next up, lower your display resolution by clicking here and selecting a lower resolution from the drop-down menu. Now, scroll down to the sustainability section and turn off VSync for both gameplay and menus. After that, click on Apply Settings and then on Confirm. Once that's done, switch to the Quality tab. Then click on Graphics Preset and choose either Minimum or Basic, or try out other presets to find what works best for you. After adjusting that, turn off upscaling or sharpening. Now scroll down to the Details and Textures section. Next, make sure to set up the texture resolution, texture filtering anisotropic, detail quality, level, particle resolution, and shader quality to low. Click on Apply Settings and switch to the View tab. In the tab, just reduce the field of view and third-person field of view by 10 or more. Check what feels right for you. After that, close settings and you should see a boost in FPS. Method 2. Now, let's adjust the power mode of your computer. To do this, open up Settings, then click on System, next click on Power. Now click on this little box and choose Best Performance from the drop-down menu. This will improve your FPS in Warzone. Method 3. Let's crank up the performance with High Performance mode for Warzone. To do this, open up Settings, then click on System and then on Display. Scroll down a little and click on Graphics. Here, in the list, you'll find Call of Duty HQ. Just click on it and then hit the Options button. Lastly, click on High Performance and then on Save. Now you should notice fewer FPS drops in Warzone. Method 4. Close unnecessary apps using Task Manager. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and then click on Task Manager. Now, right-click on the apps that you are not using and select End Task. Doing this will clear up your computer's memory and processing power, making Call of Duty Warzone run smoother with better FPS.